The Meta Connect 2023 event was on the 27th and 28th of September 2023, and they announced the latest pair of smart glasses that they created in collaboration with Ray-Ban. They also announced the Quest 3 headset, and Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg also had some AI updates to discuss. Let's talk about it. Hello there and welcome back. My name is Fumilayo from Bet Media, and at Bet Media we specialize in turning your ideas into captivating vision and user-friendly websites. For a tailored branding and web design experience, drop us an email at info@betmedia.com and let's start creating your unique online presence. Now back to the topic. What is Meta Connect? Meta Connect is a 2-day virtual event focused on AI and virtual, mixed, and augmented reality. Following its annual Connect conference this week, tech giant Meta made the future considerably more intriguing. Meta co-founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg took to the stage to deliver his Meta Connect 2023 keynote address to explain how the company is working towards enabling and feeding its metaverse ambition. Zuckerberg said, "We have to make it so that it is affordable and accessible to everyone, and that's why we focus on a lot of our innovation, not just on the groundbreaking innovations, but on making sure that these things are going to be accessible to everyone, because to us, that is just as important as advancing the state of art." Now to Meta Quest 3. The company's most potent headgear to date is the Meta Quest 3, a popular headset made for mixed reality. It has the new Snapdragon XP-XR2 Gen 2 platform Meta created in partnership with Qualcomm Technology, which has doubled the graphic processing capability of the Quest 2. Additionally, it is entirely independent. That is, there's no PC, no console, no battery pack, or other devices to undermine the sense of presence. It comprehends your actual space, allowing you to interact with your environment. This year, the Quest 3 has received more than 100 new and improved titles, many of which will feature mixed reality. You get immediate access to a huge library of more than 500 VR and MR experience thanks to the Quest 3 backward capability. Secondly, the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses. Meta had another hardware device to show off at the Connect. It teamed up with Ray-Ban to whip up another smart set of smart glasses. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses offer vastly improved specs compared with the Ray-Ban Stories. There's a 20-megapixel wide-angle camera that can record 180p videos at 60 FPS, and there's a 60 seconds time limit on video captures, but that works out quite nicely for Instagram stories. And these glasses has a 32 gig of storage as well. There are also 5 mics that can capture spatial audios. The speakers are louder and they leak less noise. Now to my favorite part, artificial intelligence. Despite the fact that AI has had an incredible year, the majority of individuals in today's society are yet to use this novel technology. Days after OpenAI announced image and voice support for ChatGPT, Meta has officially graduated to offer a text-to-image model service it calls EMU, or Expressive Media Universe. EMU is a Meta text-to-image generation model that can generate images in 5 seconds. At the Connect conference, Meta debuted its picture generation model and discussed the Llama ecosystem of huge language models. EMU, short for Expressive Media Universe, creates high-quality, lifelike pictures quickly using your word inputs. And finally, we have the AI studios. Contrary to opinions of majority of its peers, AI studio Meta has claimed that there would not be a single super intelligent AI that everyone utilizes. Instead, they believe that there will be many AI for tasks like gathering information, communicating, amusing oneself, playing games, assisting with works, and many more. And depending on your objectives, you might even wish to develop your own AI, whether you're a small corporation or an artist or anywhere else. But for this reason, they are developing AI Studio, a new platform constructing AIs that may assist you in accomplishing your tasks and enjoying yourself. And then you'll be able to communicate with this AI across the entire Meta product universe. You'll be able to chat with them on WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, and they'll be able to have accounts on Facebook and Instagram, and they will eventually take on avatar form in the metaverse as well. So that's all for this video. Which will you be trying out? Let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And thank you very much for getting us to 2,000 subscribers. Bye for now.